Okay, y'all. So today is freaking January 26th. 26th? Am I stupid? Might be. It's the 6th. But there's all this snow. I got my boots that I don't give a fuck about. I think I got these from fucking Costco's one year. Why am I petrified? Like, I just don't want to slip. Like, there's just a lot going on in my head right now. I'm coming down here. I feel like I should take the steps. I don't know. But I'm coming down here to start warming up my car. We don't know if we're taking my car or we're gonna take the truck. Because look at this, like a snow truck hasn't even came down our street yet. Like, what the fuck? Like, they better not start this, because last winter, the snow trucks, they were coming down this hill. They were full on coming down this hill. So, I don't know what is going on. As in, why there's not a snow truck. But I haven't even heard a snow truck. But I'm gonna clean off both vehicles. I'm warming up the car right now. Oh my gosh. This is so heavy because there's so much fucking snow on it. But I'm warming up the Camaro because that's our first option. But I'm also gonna clean off the freaking truck just in case we end up having to take that. But because I don't know if my car is gonna go up this hill, because like I said, there's literally not an ounce of a snow truck that freaking came. So this might be the struggle bus, I don't know, but definitely cleaning this off because Matapuchin's like right here because the snow, there's so much of it. I need 2 hands. Snow in my boot and it's so fucking cold. Now I'm gonna try to clean off his truck, but I feel like it's gonna take me a second because like his truck is so tall because it has like a whole lift and shit on it. So wish me luck. Falling. Like, I'm really weak. I'm struggling. Snow in my boot again. Get a lifter truck, they say. Wow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm in the car. Got her all loaded up, bundled up, everything. Say hi. I just woke her up, so that's why she's a little bit like, what's going on? Yeah.
I really only need like
One Home Depot. I just got like dumb tired for no reason. My hair looks a mess, y'all. These curls are like really vibing from my braids. But y'all, guess what? I'm being impulsive. I want to dye my hair. Cause I have like 3 boxes of blue dye. It was like black, blue. Blue, black. Some kind of very red. I still got my like crap boots on. But, oh yeah, and then I be forgetting I have this bag. This is like my coach purse, and it's so pretty. And there's like flowered print. So pretty. Y'all. So, we had to switch vehicles. I'm in the truck because my Camaro wouldn't make it up the road because that's just that. Picked up Justice. Then we took them to their house. I got root salad. Now I got some toast to the house. Went to tropical smoothie. I get a peanut butter paradise with whey protein. OMG, Party City's closing. What the hell? Okay, so we're home. Got root salad. Fucking fire. My order is Arcadian mix, sweet potatoes. Why did this come up? Is there like an option to, oh yeah, there it is. I'm like, is there a continue watching? Double corn, sweet potatoes, Parmesan cheese, carrots, and chicken. I don't know why it took me forever to figure out what I was trying to say. And then I got cranberry juice, and then I am actually watching Little People Dallas because it came up on my TikTok and it seemed a little interesting. So I'm watching it. I'm on episode 2. Okay, so it is Sunday, January 7th. We just got home from church. Russell dropped me off because he's about to go do a job.
But I didn't do anything, so how do you go press charges against one person with the
I'm watching Little People Dallas.
Her name is in.
It's a mess.
Don't go to jail. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
And I made a smoothie. Sorry, like the scene just got like intense for a second. I'm about to make myself a coffee, but I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna make a smoothie because I'm hungry. And I'm like, a coffee's not gonna fulfill me. And me and Russell were only gonna eat lunch today and go to the gym. So, yeah. Today's January 8th.
Welcome back.
It's a Monday.
We're gonna head into our guest speaker portion of
I'm on
orientation.
freaking Zoom
First up,
for
we have
orientation.
Taz joining us with
That's why I'm kind of whispering, even though my mic is off.
You should have control, so whenever you want to get started, you can get started.
How much, and good morning, everyone. My name is Chess Kellum.
Hi. What are we talking to?
No, Goofy. What was she?